Right then, I think we're there. So I spent a little time just going through odds and sods, got the clutch bled. I flushed. I wasn't happy with that secondary tank, so I put some fuel in it and kind of pushed and pulled it through and got loads of junk out of that fuel line. So I'm not really happy about that. But it is what it is. I'm just gonna... I've pumped some fuel through to the carbs, and if you look in there you can see the fuel in it. So I've pumped some fuel through to the carbs. I've got spark. Not sure what was going on there. Not sure I've got spark on all four. We'll see. I've just been filling the carbs with the kill switch, just on and off, just to pump them up. And what else have we been doing? Let's just go. We've just been finishing it off really, but I'm at that nervous stage now where it's time to start it. Oh God. I guess we'll see. Is it going to run? Let's have a look. Hang on, I need to move you. Let's put you in here. Okay. Be nice. Ooh. Ah. Lost all electrics. Yeah, that was a good start. Why have we lost electrics? Ah, we're back. With the dodgy switch? Have a look. It's just sitting ticking over. I'm very suspicious of this. Well, that sounds nice. Trying to figure if the engine is clacky or not. Not convinced it's running on all cylinders. No smoke. Just got one little drip of oil down there, which is this gasket. That's that gasket, that's where I had the Oh, and it died, and we lost ignition again. Look, what is going on there? Oh well, wasn't the engine. Look, no ignition, nothing. Wonder if it's that fuse. Ah, it is. Okay, so I span this engine over, or I tried to. What I was doing, I just got everything in, took the plugs out, put a little bit of WD-40 down the bores, and I was going to do what I did last time, you know, sit my arse on the seat and bounce it in gear and just try and get the engine to turn over, but I was feeling a bit lazy, so I thought, I know what I'll do. I'll just bump the starter button, just enough to know that it's not just going click and not moving. I hit the button, wanting it to just go and just move a little bit, and the solenoid jammed on, and so this thing span over for about a minute while I desperately removed this. I tried hammering away on the solenoid, did nothing. So that was the solenoid, if you remember, last year that we swapped out. It was one that I took off my V45 Magna after I'd melted a bunch of wires, and when I looked at this one, which had melted the fuse and had a dodgy fuse holder, I decided to use the other one. Bad idea, as it turns out. Used it last year, no problems whatsoever. First time I try it this year, jams on, starter motor's spinning away for a minute, flattened the battery, which is why I got the battery charger out. So I've ordered another one of them, and it looks like that was a good call, because that not being on is the fuse. All I did was just wiggle the fuse. But that engine sounds so far so good. Sweet, doesn't it? I don't know what else to say. It's what you want. So let's top all the fluids up, because obviously now we've spun the engine over, I need to check the oil level, check the water level. I did notice that the temperature gauge isn't showing anything, but whether that's just not it's up to temperature yet or what, I'm not sure. It was working last year. Let's turn that off. So that's cautiously good news. Cautiously good news, because I'm going to have to take the radiator off to sort that valve cover out. I don't want it leaking oil everywhere, but it's only a drip. It's nothing at the moment. I have seen when them things go though. I had a VF1100C, my V45 Magna, spat a chunk of one of those oil seals out and sprayed oil all over the engine. It was ridiculous. But yeah, we're running. Woohoo! Thanks for watching.